Hey there, it's Kathy from Subscription Insider, and I want to show you what's new at subscriptioninsider.com. We have built resources that support decision making in the real world of running and operating a subscription business. We have detailed analysis, we have living regulatory briefs, financial models, decision frameworks, workbooks, checklists, operating guidance that's really built for you. These resources are built for you to help you each and every day run and operate your business more effectively. A couple of things that I can highlight for you. Our subscription finance model. This is going to help you build out cash flow and profitability scenarios in your business. Our regulatory monitor is monitoring what is the latest and greatest recently live, coming up live regulations at the federal and state and now local level for subscription compliance, which your business needs to stay on top of. Our subscriber acquisition model is a great model if you're trying to really grow your business profitably. It looks at acquisition profitability and costs by either channel or even acquisition campaign. When you go into our member center, we have everything right here, and you can see everything is literally a click away. And I have my favorites all set here. And quickly, I am just right here. Boom, I'm right here. I can download the Excel sheet and I can start working on the acquisition profitability model. There you have it. Have a good one.